Welcome to Idell Creations. It's still wedding season, I guess. So, yeah, stay tuned to see what I'm about to make for another wedding this year. Alright guys, so a friend of mine, Megan, who is getting married to a very cool, very awesome guy, asked me to make her a, well, it's going to be a board with 3 ropes on it, and they're going to, her son, and Jim are going to braid the rope to symbolize the 3 of them making a union. So I told her, of course, I will make you this gift. She's going to put it on her mantle afterwards, so it's not just for her wedding. It's also a piece that she's going to put in her house. So I was walking through my local big box store, and I saw these tongue and groove boards. Kind of fell in love with them. I love the blue tint in these. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to cut it off about, I don't know, 3 feet, 4 wide deep. Learn to speak. 4 boards wide. We're going to go ahead and cut the tongue and the groove off on both sides. And we're going to glue that up tonight. So let's chop them on the saw. And we'll glue it up, and yeah, so let me go chop them up. We'll do the glue up, we'll talk a little bit more, and yeah, I'll catch you guys here in a second after I cut these. Alright guys, so 4 boards, still got our grooves. Let's figure out how we want these boards to look when we have them down. What the hell? Oh. So that actually kind of works out pretty nice right there. And this board is backwards. So if you kind of notice, there's a chamfer on one side and it's flat on the other side. We want it flat all the way across. We don't want it to look like floorboards. That's why we're also cutting off the tongue and groove. But we actually got pretty flat boards already done up. I think that's pretty nice looking. And yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to mark them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we mark them up. We know which ones are which. We're going to cut this tongue off in this groove right here, and then we'll glue it up so we got nice square edges. Alright guys, you notice this one doesn't have a fork on it anymore. It's because I cut the wrong side off. I need to cut that side off. I cut the tongue off. This side came out alright. That side not so much. Alright. Let me get over there. Cut that side off. I'll be right back. We all make mistakes. You gotta admit them sometimes. Sucks, but oh well. Let's get it going. Alright, well we cut the right side off this time. Oh well. Not a huge deal. So we're going to glue it all up and put it in, let it dry overnight. We'll come back, we'll sand this. We might fill these knots, I'm not sure. I might leave the knots because it's kind of cool. Yeah, but yeah, let's get it glued up, and we won't sit here and bore you too much. So let's fast forward through that, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright. Alright guys, so now got it all sanded. Shop foreman came out. She said that she doesn't want to do the burning. She likes it, but she thinks it'll get too dark. Then we're going to just lose this really cool blue in the boards, but she's right. So what we're going to do is we're going to just finish this up tonight with 2 straps going like this across the top and the bottom, which you can't see my hand over here. So we're going to like that. So let's cut those strips and we'll glue those up, let them sit overnight, and we will stand tomorrow. Alright. A test sample, she didn't know, and she saw it the next day, and she goes, you know what, I like it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it on, wipe it off pretty much immediately.